Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Shravya. In today's video, we'll be learning about conjunctions and how to use them in sentences. Before we get into the activity materials, here is a brief overview of what a conjunction is. A conjunction joins sentences together. For example, in the sentence, I like sweet and salty popcorn, the and is the conjunction. There are other conjunctions such as and, like discussed, but, so, or, and we also have because. Great, now that we did a review of what conjunctions are, let's take a look at what activity materials we'll need. For this activity, you will need the printable templates, which will be shown on screen shortly, some coloring materials, a paper bag, a black marker, and some scissors. The first thing we'll need to do is cut out the sentences and the band-aid shapes from the printable templates. So here I have my sentences cut out and the 5 band-aids cut out. Next, we're going to take our band-aids and our black marker and write the following words on each one of the band-aids. The first word is going to be and. Second word is going to be but. Third word is going to be or. Fourth word is going to be so. And our last word on the band-aid will be because. Alright, now that we have our conjunctions on each of our band-aids, let's go ahead and take our paper bag and decorate it. And this is an optional step, so feel free to follow along or not. Alright, so I decorated my medicine bag. And in this medicine bag, we're going to be putting all of our sentences in it. The next fun step will be to take our bag and shake it up and then pull out one sentence to treat, like so. Alright, we pulled out our first sentence. Let's make a little room for it. Alright, so we're turning it around. The sentence reads, the photos are in black, so white. Now, that sentence doesn't seem to make sense. That's because our conjunction, which has been underlined in the sentence, has been written wrong. So let's go ahead and lay out our band-aids. Alright, now let's read through the sentence using each of these conjunctions in place. The photos are in black or white. The photos are in black because white. The photos are in black so white. The photos are in black and white. The photos are in black but white. Which of these band-aids seem to make the most sense for this sentence? That's right, it's the and band-aid, because the photos are in black and white. That means that the photos are colored with black ink as well as white spaces. Great job, everyone! Today, you learned about what conjunctions are and how to use them correctly in sentences. Make sure to have fun and challenge yourself with this fun new activity. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with more videos shortly.